Hello everyone. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use the iGulu portable equal pressure filling kit, helping brewers share their beer more conveniently while maintaining its optimal taste. First, we need to ensure that the carbon dioxide tube is not connected, or that the carbon dioxide valve is closed. At this point, locate the gas source switch button on the back of the machine. After turning it off, you will see the air indicator on the top left corner of the machine screen. This means the air pump mode is activated. Connect the adapter to both ends of the dispensing tube and close the pinch valve. This tube is connected to the carbonating bottle and the fermentation keg at both ends. Access the bottling mode on the control panel. Then, release the pinch valve to allow the beer to flow from the fermentation keg into the bottle through the dispensing tube. When the flow rate starts to slow down, manually lift the safety valve on the bottle slightly several times. Close the pinch valve when the beer in the bottle reaches the maximum liquid level line. Remove the dispensing tube. Lift the safety valve to release the pressure in the bottle. Unscrew the filling kit and quickly tighten the bottle cap.